Utilization is affected by the percentage of available credit use, not the amount of debt. Your credit utilization rate is the amount of revolving credit you are currently using, divided by the total amount of revolving credit you have available. In other words, it is how much you currently owe divided by your credit limit. It is generally expressed as a percent. For example, if you have a total of $10,000 in credit available on 2 credit cards and a balance of $5,000 on one, your credit utilization rate is 50%. You are using half of the total credit you have available. You can calculate an overall credit utilization rate as well as a rate for each of your credit accounts, called your per card ratio. A credit utilization rate shows you are using less of your available credit. Credit scoring models generally interpret this as an indication you are doing a good job managing credit by not overspending, and keeping your spending in check can help you reach higher credit scores. Having higher credit scores make it easier to secure additional credit, such as auto loans, mortgages, and credit cards with favorable terms when you need it.